Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be playing Soccer Manager 26 and we're going to be rebuilding Santos because they're the worst team in Liga MX right now with just 9 points. So we're going to rebuild them till we win the CONCACAF Champions League and the league. So yeah. So right here's the squad. Yeah, it's not that good. But yeah, we're going to try to rebuild them. And yeah, pretty much. Some of my objectives of the video is to win the CONCACAF Champions League, win the league, and at least promote one player from the youth academy. We only have 5 million to spend. Definitely gonna sell players, but yeah, let me put my team into formation, and yeah, we're probably gonna need to make some signings. So yeah, we'll be back. And just from the looks of things, probably a left back, but yeah. But we only have like 5 million to spend. So, but yeah, we'll be back. Well, first friendly, not looking too good. Chat. We lost 4-2 against Atletico San Luis. Don't have signed any players, but we'll chat. Yeah, honestly, just from the preseason friendlies, we're cooked. Like on paper, we're not a bad team, but we're shit. Like I don't know. I don't know anymore. Here's our first signing, Matis, the Chilean. All right, guys, first match of the season. All right, we're just gonna sim it, and yeah, hope we win. I guess I feel like they don't have that much of a good team, so we should realistically win. But yeah, we'll see. And I gotta deal with an ad. Are we for real? Like, oh my god. And we already conceded. But we scored. Alright, alright. Feel like we could win this actually, chat. Like, I believe. But yeah. We're gonna do high pressing. High pressing. Yeah, not much happening. Yes, yes. Just keep it like that. Beautiful, beautiful. 3 points, first match. I'm surprised. Honestly, I'm surprised. But yeah, we take that 3 points. Let's go. Alright, guys. After this match, I'm gonna just guess not show all the matches because I'm gonna just show the big matches, but the not so good teams, I'm gonna just not show because we're trying to fit all this in a season, in a video, and we're gonna play the entire season. So yeah. Yeah. All right. I cut so we didn't have to deal with the ad, and we're already winning, and now it's a draw. Honestly, I'll take a draw against Tigres, but I won't mind a win. You feel me? All right, first half, not bad, not bad. Then we're also gonna do attacking, not that. Yeah, really not much happening. And yeah, we lost. Tragic. Well, we're not gonna win all the matches, but I guess just not to end up at the bottom pretty much. But right, yeah, we'll be on to the next match. Well, lost against San Luis. Our second win, and it's a pretty good win, 3-0. Love to see it. Well, another win, we take it. And that's another win, 3 wins in a row. I don't know how. Don't tell me how. Fourth win in a row, we take it. Fifth win in a row. I don't know what's happening, guys. Alright, guys, we got a game against Chivas. Just gonna sim it, I guess. And we scored. No kidding. You know, we'll take a draw, you know, like, I don't mind a draw, but we won. We won. No, we didn't. Well, you know, not bad, you know. A draw against Chivas, we'll take that. Alright, a match against Monterrey, let's go. Yeah, we're cooked, chat, we're cooked. It's not looking good, say that. Come on. Yeah, it's over, chat. It's over. Well, loss against Monterrey, you hate to see it. Well, another big game. Hopefully, okay, that'll be good. Alright, hopefully we win this, but I doubt it. Alright, let's go, let's go. No substitutions, guys, no substitutions. And they got a red card, so hopefully. Alright, I think that's 3 points. We take that. If we actually win, though. Alright, love to see it. Big win. Well, game against America. Don't think this is going to end good. But, yeah, we'll see. Well, I draw so far. Yeah, well, I think it's over, chat. Yep, loss against America. Hate to see it. We're in the halfway point of the season. We are 7th place with 30 points. Not bad. I mean, I did decide to like sim some games. Yeah, here we go. I think, yeah, didn't show the Toluca game. I forgot which game I did. I think it was Puebla. But yeah, not the best results. We got destroyed by Tigres, but that's besides the point. I think I did sell like one player and brought so those two guys. I think that's about it really in terms of business. We're in debt, unfortunately. But yeah, I literally just spent all my money upgrading the facilities. But yeah, well, I guess we'll be back if anything does happen. Well, win against San Luis, we take it. 1-0 win against Mazatlan, whatever, we take it. Another win, we take that. That's 3 wins in a row. To be fair, it was like low-key easy teams, but still, points that we need, we take it. Draw against Pumas. It's at last, we take it. Win against Pumas in the cup, we take it. Draw against Pachuca. Alright, game against Chivas. Come on. Yeah, we already conceded. Yeah, it's over. Might as well just sim to the end at this point. Yeah, nah, this is just tragic. Well, yeah, I lost against Chivas. Match against Monterrey. God hope we win this. Alright, go on. Let's go. Oh my god. That's just tragic. Well, we beat Tijuana in the cup. We'll take it. I forgot the show, but we lost to what's it called, Cruz Azul. But look at the schedule, like this shit rigged as fuck. But yeah, whatever. Draw against America. I think it's a good result in mind. Win against Puebla, we take it. Right. This is the semifinal of the Copa MX, and we already conceded. But semifinals, by the way. But yeah, it's not looking good. Yeah. Okay, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, no, it's fine. Just cut this shit, bro. We're out of the cup, tragically. Draw against Necaxa, tragic. Well, draw against Toluca, we'll take it. 3-1 win against Leon, we take it. Well, we're at the end. Damn, we're at the end of the season. Finished sixth place, not bad. Not bad, I will say. Here's pretty much the squad. Yeah, not that much growth. Acevedo's going down. Probably gonna need a goalkeeper, honestly. But yeah. Yeah. Here's like, I feel like how the hell do I check? There's stats right there. So 13 Valley Bella, something like that. He's our top goal scorer. Sordo, our top assister. But yeah, I think that's about it, really. We are at the end of the season. I feel like that's it pretty much for season 1. So if y'all enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll be back with season 2.